Hey everyone, it's Faye here, and I'll be showing you this fall winter daily makeup look. So let's begin with the tutorial. First of all, I'm going to apply this thin foundation all over my face by using a makeup blender. This is my first time trying out this product, but it's really nice to achieve a natural dewy look. After the foundation, I'm going to apply some concealer beneath my eyes to cover up my dark circles. Next, I'm going to draw my eyebrows with a grayish brown eyebrow pencil. And for this look, I make the eyebrows straighter and the outlines sharper. After that, I'm going to apply a light brown eyebrow powder on top of it to soften the eyebrows a little bit. Next, I'm going to contour my face with my pepper shading powder. For the nose, by using a blending brush, I'm going to apply it onto the tip of my eyebrows and bring it downwards to the nostril. And then I'm going to apply some shading onto the side of my cheeks and onto my jawline to make my face look slimmer. Now let's do the eye makeup. I'm going to apply this matte tea rose eyeshadow all over my eyelids as the base eyeshadow. On top of it, I'm going to apply a matte dark salmon color. And also bring it to the lower lid a little bit at the other corner. Next, I'm going to apply Whiskey from Naked Smoky palette and apply it onto my eyelid along the upper lash line. And then blend it out evenly. After that, I'm going to line my eyes with a dark brown eyeshadow. I'm using a cream liner brush to apply. If you are wondering why not a cream or gel liner, I like to use the eyeshadow for my natural makeup. I'm going to apply it onto my waterline near the teeth duct as well to make my eyes look more defined. And then apply the falsies. And apply mascara to stay the eyelashes together. And then apply the mascara onto the lower lashes. Now I'm going to apply this glitter silver eyeshadow onto my lower lid to create the eye glossy. Now I'm going to apply the blush. I like orangey brownish color to represent fall or winter look. I'm going to apply it onto my cheeks by using a small blusher brush. For the lips, I'm going to apply this tea rose lip tint all over my lips. And then I'm going to apply this brown lip color onto the inner part of my lips. Last, for the finishing touch, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter under my nose, and the makeup is done. This is the finished look. I think this makeup look is great for this transition season. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to see more tutorials from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!